Welcome to our review of the MINISFORUM MS-01 Mini Workstation. This powerful mini PC is taking the tech community by storm as the ultimate anti-cloud solution. Traditionally, getting enterprise-grade server features meant buying massive, power-hungry rack-mount hardware. The MS-01 bridges this gap, packing robust server capabilities into a chassis the size of a book, which is perfect for self-hosting and data privacy. While slightly larger than standard mini PCs, the MS-01 easily hides behind a monitor or sits discreetly on a shelf, replacing bulky home server racks. It offers enough physical room for desktop-class networking and expansion. Just note that the external power adapter is quite large and heavy. You will need a plan to tuck it away for a clean desktop setup. Under the hood is the Intel 13th generation Core i9-13900H, boasting 14 cores, 20 threads, and speeds up to 5.4 GHz. The base model includes 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a 1 TB SSD. Its standout feature is true hardware modularity, offering a standard PCIe 4.0 x16 slot for low-profile expansion cards, like a dedicated GPU, hardware RAID controller, or extra network interfaces. It is highly upgradable. You can easily swap the RAM to support up to 96 GB of DDR5, giving you a remarkably powerful system for less than half the price of a laptop. This machine is a dream for home lab enthusiasts, remote developers, and network engineers, effortlessly managing virtual machines and Docker containers. Crucially, the Core i9 model includes Intel vPro AMT, allowing complete remote hardware-level management even if your operating system crashes. Be aware that it is not fully plug-and-play. You will likely need to tweak BIOS settings for link aggregation or manually update network drivers. Also, the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics are meant strictly for workstation utility, not heavy 3D rendering or modern gaming. Storage flexibility goes beyond standard consumer PCs. The MS-01 holds up to 3 M.2 NVMe SSDs, fully supporting longer 22110 enterprise drives with power loss protection, as well as U.2 enterprise NVMe drives. You can set them up in RAID 0 for speed or RAID 1 for data safety. This makes it an ideal compact storage gateway for directly editing 4K and 8K video over a high-speed network. Packing this much power into a tiny case requires solid cooling, and the memory modules sit right below the fan. At idle, the MS-01 runs quietly and uses a fraction of the electricity of older servers. However, the blower fan ramps up aggressively under heavy workloads and can get quite loud. Fortunately, adjusting your operating system's power settings usually eliminates excessive fan noise while keeping temperatures safe. The networking capabilities are truly unmatched for this footprint. You get dual 10Gbps SFP Plus ports and dual 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet ports, delivering massive virtualization bandwidth without clunky USB adapters. It also includes 2 USB 4 ports supporting Thunderbolt Ethernet, an HDMI port, and multiple standard USB connections. Altogether, this provides a massive total network transmission speed of up to 65 gigabits per second. If you want to build high-throughput software routers, test multi-gigabit enterprise networks at home, or compile software without expensive cloud fees, the MS-01 is highly recommended. It makes high-speed clustering accessible for small businesses and hobbyists. Despite the heavy power brick and initial technical setup, its unique blend of networking, storage, and PCIe expansion makes it one of the most flexible mini workstations available today.